Hello everyone, my name is Min Hui, and in these next 5 minutes of the video, I'm going to talk about the vernacular schools in the Malaysian education system. So firstly, what do I mean by vernacular schools? The word vernacular itself means by a language or dialect spoken by people in particular country or region. Therefore, vernacular schools are schools that are categorized according to language. In this situation, Malaysia is a country where public primary schools are divided into two categories based on the medium of instruction. They are the Malay medium national schools and the non-Malay medium national school, which is also known as the vernacular school. According to my research, I have found that apparently having vernacular schools causes various issues such as racial polarization, people lack of national unity, lack of understanding between the diversity of Malaysian culture and traditions, and lack of sense of community and national identities. The survival of the vernacular school is often strongly associated with the survival of the minorities' culture, in this case, the Chinese and Indians. The use of the mother tongue as a medium of instruction is seen to keep the young connected to their cultural roots, and the lessons culturally enriching through history, literature, and ethics, all of which are believed to be exclusive to the vernacular system. Consequently, it doesn't serve a good platform for a child to grasp the idea of the Malaysian society. Besides that, children are likely to grow up in ignorance of their ethnically distinct peers as well.
Today is gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you.
It is definitely easier for me to take a stand on this issue now than it was before because I have studied and did research about the topic before this presentation. Besides that, I was also from a Chinese vernacular primary school when I was younger. I have personally experienced the technique of teaching in Chinese vernacular schools in Malaysia itself.
By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody...
Malaysia is unique with its multiracial and multicultural population. The role of a school is not only to create a learning atmosphere, but also ought to be a place where students are taught to value and celebrate diversity. In my opinion, if this system continues in the society, it will continue to split the society apart according to races, and it will be hard for the country to succeed in its national integration goals, as all ethnic groups do not possess good understanding of each other in terms of culture, religion, and common practices. This will cause the people to only stick among their own racial group in the society.
The way I do about you now.
In my point of view, the outcome with such education system will lead the intercultural relationship to not only gradually disappear, but the unity and understanding will be lost as races do not communicate with each other anymore. This is because different vernacular schools have their own different aspect of teaching and learning. It is not standardized. Furthermore, individuals will face language barriers as each vernacular school teaches in their own medium of language, which causes them to lose interest in other languages. According to my research, a quarter of Chinese school students drop out before they turn 16. This is due to their lack of skill and interest towards Bahasa Malaysia. In conclusion, I don't think that having vernacular school is ideal for the Malaysian education system, as it brings a lot of barriers to the society and the country. Instead, we should have one single school system where all languages of the three major ethnic groups, Malay, Chinese, and Tamil, are taught without infringing the requirements of our constitution in order to solve these dissatisfactions. Besides that, I believe that being a Malaysian, it is important that all ethnic groups are able to live together in harmony and strive together as one. That's all for my presentation. I hope I didn't bore you in these 5 minutes. Thank you.
I'm sure you've heard it all before, but you never really had it down.